Welcome, crypto enthusiasts and investment aficionados alike. Today we're venturing into the realm of ESG investing, exploring the intriguing comparison between crypto projects and public companies. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always conduct your own research. Now let's delve into the world of ESG investing. First, we must understand what ESG investing is. Standing for environmental, social, and governance, ESG investing is a strategy that weighs a company's commitment to these three factors. The environmental aspect considers how a company's operations impact the natural world. The social aspect looks at how the company manages relationships with employees, suppliers, customers, and communities. The governance aspect reviews a company's leadership, executive pay, audits, internal controls, and shareholder rights. Today, ESG investing is more than just a trend. It's a paradigm shift in the financial world, reflecting the growing demand for sustainable and ethical practices. Investors are increasingly recognizing that companies with strong ESG credentials are not just better for the planet and society, but are often more resilient and profitable in the long run. With this understanding, we can now compare ESG investing in crypto projects and public companies. Public companies have been the traditional platform for ESG investing. This is where the concept of investing with an eye toward environmental, social, and governance factors really took root. But what does that look like in practice? Well, let's start with the basics. When you invest in a public company, you're buying a piece of that company, making you a shareholder. As a shareholder, you can influence the company's direction, including its ESG practices. You can vote on resolutions, engage with management, and drive the company towards more sustainable and ethical operations. But it's not just about wielding influence. ESG investing in public companies also means picking winners. Companies with strong ESG practices tend to perform better over the long term. They're less likely to face regulatory fines, they're better at attracting and retaining top talent, and they're more resilient to market shocks. So, investing in these companies can be a way to protect and grow your wealth. Take the example of Unilever, a multinational consumer goods company. It's been a leader in sustainability for years, reducing its environmental footprint, promoting diversity and inclusion, and maintaining high standards of corporate governance. Investors who recognized Unilever's ESG strengths early on have seen solid returns. But ESG investing in public companies isn't without its challenges. For one, there's the issue of transparency. Not all companies disclose their ESG practices in a clear and consistent manner. Some may even engage in greenwashing, making their operations seem more sustainable than they actually are. Then there's the issue of scale. When you're dealing with large multinational corporations, even small changes can take a lot of time and effort. And while many investors are patient, not all are willing to wait for their ESG investments to bear fruit. Despite these challenges, public companies remain a vital platform for ESG investing. They offer a way for investors to push for positive change while also seeking financial returns. However, the rise of cryptocurrencies has introduced a new platform for ESG investing. And we're going to dive into that in the next scene. Stay tuned. Cryptocurrencies have brought a new dimension to ESG investing. The digital world has opened up a realm of possibilities for the environmentally conscious investor, and crypto projects are leading the charge. How does ESG investing work in crypto projects, you might ask? Well, it's not so different from traditional ESG investing. Investors seek out crypto projects that adhere to environmental, social, and governance principles. But there's a twist. Unlike traditional companies, crypto projects are decentralized. They do not have a physical presence, and often their leadership is global and remote. This makes ESG investing in crypto a bit more challenging but also incredibly exciting. Take, for instance, the environmental aspect. Many cryptocurrencies have been criticized for their high energy consumption. However, some crypto projects are flipping the script and focusing on renewable energy sources for mining. These projects present an attractive opportunity for ESG investors. On the social front, many crypto projects are all about creating a fairer, more inclusive financial world. They aim to make finance accessible to everyone, regardless of their location or financial status. This commitment to social inclusion aligns perfectly with the S in ESG. Governance in crypto projects can be a bit tricky due to their decentralized nature. However, many projects are striving for transparency and accountability, using blockchain technology to keep things open and honest. This aligns with the G in ESG and is another reason why these projects are attractive to ESG investors. There have been some successful ESG investments in crypto projects. For example, Ethereum, the world's second-largest cryptocurrency, is transitioning to a more energy-efficient model. Investors who saw the potential for this change and invested early are now reaping the benefits. Of course, investing in crypto is not without its risks. The market can be volatile and the regulatory landscape is still evolving. But for those willing to navigate these challenges, the potential for high returns and the chance to support sustainable and inclusive projects can be well worth it. Both platforms offer unique opportunities for ESG investing, but how do they compare? As we move forward, it's clear that both traditional companies and crypto projects have a role to play in shaping a more sustainable and equitable future. Crypto projects and public companies both offer intriguing opportunities for ESG investing. On one hand, public companies with their established structures and regulations offer a sense of reliability and transparency. They have clear ESG goals and have systems in place to ensure they meet these objectives. They are also more likely to be responsive to investor demands for ESG accountability, given their need to maintain a positive public image. On the other hand, crypto projects, while newer and less regulated, bring a fresh perspective to ESG investing. They are inherently global and decentralized, which can democratize access to investment opportunities. Moreover, many crypto projects are built around principles of sustainability and social impact, aligning closely with ESG values. They are also less bound by traditional corporate structures, allowing them to innovate and adapt quickly. However, it's important to note the challenges in both platforms. Public companies, while reliable, can be slow to change, and their ESG initiatives can sometimes be more about optics than actual impact. Crypto projects, while innovative, can be volatile and lack the regulatory oversight that can provide investor protection. Looking ahead, it's clear that both public companies and crypto projects have significant roles to play in ESG investing. Public companies will continue to adapt and incorporate ESG principles into their business models. At the same time, crypto projects will mature and evolve, potentially offering even more unique and impactful opportunities for ESG investors. Remember, the world of investing is always evolving, and it's crucial to stay informed. Before we wrap up, I'd like to remind you that we have a ton of other videos that delve into profitable strategies and investment tips. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, our channel is packed with valuable insights that can help you navigate the ever-changing world of investing. We also love hearing from you, our viewers, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts, experiences, or questions in the comments section below. Your input enriches our community and helps us create more relevant content. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it. This way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, investing is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way.